Hi guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions, on a mission to get the word out that eating healthfully can help you live longer and healthier into those later years. Today I'm going to show you how to make what I call my Furman 5-fruit smoothie, and I'll tell you exactly why I call it that. But today I'm also excited to tell you it's my very first giveaway. I so appreciate my viewers and my subscribers, so I have a great gift for you. This is Dr. Furman's 10 in 20. You hear me refer to this all the time. The 10 in 20 is a super resource for learning how to make nutritarian meals. Dr. Furman says you can lose 10 pounds in 20 days just by eating the 60 meals that are in here. The book is fantastic. It has all the recipes you need to get through the 20 days. Every 5 days there's a shopping list, and it comes with a 3-month gold membership to drfurman.com. which includes support, connection with other members in the 10 and 20 detox community, a whole library of articles, webinars, teleconferences, a database with over 1,500 nutritarian recipes, a health tracker if you feel like monitoring your progress, access to forums such as Ask the Doctor and food addiction forums, and product discounts up to 25% off. So I'll tell you how you can win this great prize later on in the video. Let's make a smoothie. I'm going to go grab my apron. So why do I call it the Furman 5-fruit smoothie? Because on Dr. Furman's nutritarian checklist, he recommends eating a large salad every day, at least a half a cup of beans or lentils, at least 1 ounce of raw nuts and seeds, a double-sized serving of steamed greens, and at least 3 fresh fruits every day, especially berries that are full of polyphenols, antioxidants, and anthocyanins that are very cancer protective, pomegranates, cherries, plums, and oranges. So I made up an acronym to help myself remember, and it's B cups. B for berries, C for cherries, O for oranges, P for pomegranate, and P for plums. B cups, easy to remember. Today I'm using my Vitamix. A high-speed blender is always a good idea for making smoothies, salad dressings, and other nutritarian recipes. But if you don't have a Vitamix, you can certainly use another blender. Just make sure you blend it long enough so that everything gets very smooth. So the first thing we want to add to our blender is greens. I like to buy these power greens from Costco. They're very handy to have in the fridge, and if I don't use them by the expiration date, I just throw the whole bag into the freezer and then just use them frozen. I'm going to put a couple of big handfuls into my blender. So next I'm going to add my seeds. I've got my flax seeds here. They need to be ground up. You can buy them ground, but it's better if you buy the whole seed and grind them up yourself. That's the way they're fresher. You can grind up a week's worth and keep them in the fridge or the freezer and they'll stay fresh. So just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds per day. And I always add a tablespoon of hemp seeds. These are full of omega-3s. Remember, in the B cups, one of the P's is for pomegranates. So you can use fresh pomegranate, but it's not always in season. Some stores carry these frozen pomegranate arils. So I always have some of these in my freezer. So just 1/3 cup. Next I need some almond milk, about a half a cup. So I'm going to blend these up at this point to make a slurry. So this is the base for our smoothie. It's a green slurry full of nutrients. Next we need our berries. Today I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of frozen strawberries and 1/3 of a cup of frozen blueberries. Next is frozen cherries. I like to get the organic dark sweet cherries from Costco. The O was for oranges, so you want to add a whole orange, but you want to peel it first. In goes my orange and the juice, and the other P was for plums. They're not always in season, but I've been lucky enough to find plums at my Aldi store. In they go. Now this will make the perfect 5-fruit smoothie, but if you like your smoothies a little bit sweeter, you could add a date or 2, or even some pineapple or banana, and that will sweeten it right up. Now if I were using all fresh fruit, I could just blend it just as is. But since most of my fruit is frozen, I'm going to need about 1/3 to a half a cup of water. Time to blend. So once you get everything moving in there, you want to crank it up to high for about 20 seconds. Now this makes enough to fill about a 1-quart mason jar. And the reason I use a mason jar is I have a lot of glasses, but most of them don't hold 4 cups. So this is my typical day 3 or Wednesday morning breakfast, and I always pair it with a slice of Ezekiel raisin bread toast with almond butter on top. This is a breakfast that's going to get me through till lunch for sure. So now for our giveaway, the 10 and 20 Dr. Furman's Lose 10 Pounds in 20 Days Detox Program. Reset your palate, recharge your mind, re-energize your body. This has been a wonderful tool that I've used for, well, ever since it came out. It's taught me so many things about the nutritarian kitchen, and it makes life a whole lot easier when you're trying to plan meals. And remember that it also comes with this 3-month gold membership to drfurman.com. So all you have to do is become a subscriber. Click that red subscribe button below on the right hand side of the screen, and then put a comment in the comment section below. It can be anything like, I want to win the 10 and 20. And then, my friend, you are entered. This contest will run from the time that the video uploads until Tuesday, April 23rd at midnight. The winner will be chosen randomly, and I will post the winner's name on my Good Ingestions Facebook page on Wednesday, April 24th. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or found it helpful, and be sure to share these videos with your friends. So I'll see you next time, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. Good luck!